Alright, I have been pretty busy today. I filmed a house tour video and then I edited that and then I went jogging, and this is me after the jog. I also, after my shower, had to finish editing a vlog so I could get that up. I desperately need to find a routine because I feel like I'm all over the place now. But haul of the day. I actually have quite a few things that came in all at once. I didn't expect it to. So I'll go ahead and show you, even though it's going to be in videos for my main channel, but you know. Oh wow. I got quite a few things in this one. So this is from Amazon, and I got another brain game book. This one is a cold case puzzle. So completely different from any of the other puzzles that I have. Well, I mean, there's some that have like the logic. There's like crossword puzzles and stuff in here, but it's really cool how they did it. Look at that, with the tab to make it look like a file, and then you see all of these are card, but look at those. Yeah, so they had a few to choose from, but I went with this one. So I'll link it down below, this direct one, and the other options that I looked at. Really cool. I've never seen one quite like this. And then I got Weird Science after doing my movie collection videos for you guys, which I've done 2 on this channel. I have not done the upstairs one yet. I was like, why do I not have Weird Science? Obviously, there's quite a few movies that actually you guys recommended that one, I either don't own because I don't want to own it because I wouldn't watch it all the time, or 2, I own it but it's actually on Amazon. So I also have like digital movies too, like downloads. So got Weird Science, and I think I paid $5 for this. Like, how's that possible? I don't even know what's in here, or I already forgot. Oh yeah, I got hooks for my car so that I could hook it to the headrest and then hang my purse from it, because it's just been bothering me. Sometimes, you know, when you have to like slam on your brakes, everything flies everywhere, and it's just so I got that. And so I think that's it from Amazon. I think the rest of this is from eBay. I used to buy off of eBay all the time until I made my way to Amazon, but eBay has stuff that you just can't get the same, you know, because it's like you can sell on there. I got a sports bra, but here's the sad part about this sports bra. It was one of those deals where it was like either you bid on it or you could make the seller an offer, and I was like, oh, I'm not gonna risk bidding on this. So I went ahead and made the seller a really nice offer for this gorgeous bra. And then after the seller accepted my offer, I was like, what size is that? Small. There's nothing I can do about it now. There's no way this small will fit on me. So I'm hoping my daughter is going to love this, because it's the most fabulous sports bra ever. And I couldn't find it in a medium. They also make this in a blue, I think. But just this detail is gorgeous. I've never seen a strap like that across the chest area, and I'm gonna try to squeeze into it first. It's not gonna happen. I mean, I'm a medium, so. I also bought some shorts from eBay. These definitely do not look like the shorts on the account, so I'm gonna have to go back and look. But they're brand new with tag. But either way, these are kind of cool. I just thought they looked like they would fit differently the way the picture was styled. But either way, I'm not gonna return it because I like it. I just think I would have liked it more with the way that I had thought that they were supposed to be. But some red Nike shorts. I just don't have very many running shorts. And the last bag for the day, I think there are more shorts from eBay as well. gosh, these I've been just... Some more jogging shorts. Oh my gosh, I love those. I'm a Nike girl, you just do not understand. Oh my god, those are so gorgeous. The only thing I will say is they're see-through. So I'm definitely gonna have to wear like nude, or don't ever, I saw this tip from a YouTuber and it totally makes sense, but if you have something white, don't wear white underneath it, wear nude, and it does look a lot better. Because you can actually end up seeing the outline of the white rather than, I guess, something that is a color to your skin, not nude, but like the color to your skin. So yeah, so anyway, gorgeous, has pockets, I'm very excited, and that's it, that's the haul. I'm starting this vlog off super late. It's 4:05, and let me tell you, all I've had today is water. It's not for any other reason other than YouTube. It's all over the place. So anyways, that's the haul, and I'm so upset about this one.
Don't scare us anymore.
You know, if I think about it, I don't really know when my hair got this curly. I really truly don't. But there she is. I wish I could tell you guys I was doing something fun, but I'm not. The jog was the highlight of my day. I really wanted to do it yesterday, but it rained literally nonstop yesterday, which was great, loved it. It's still an overcast day, but I got my run in. It's probably gonna start raining here pretty soon. It's gonna be like this all week. And I think because of that, I'm in this very, just wanna cozy up, you know, do nothing. All right, I'm gonna be making some dinner, and I'm gonna be making some steak. I'm gonna broil it with my usual vegetables, and I'm gonna go get the stuff.